I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best buffalo chicken sandwich. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making buffalo chicken sandwich. I promise you haven't tried a buffalo chicken sandwich like this before. I'm gonna serve it with seasoned fries, buffalo sauce, and a fiery pineapple coleslaw. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using a breast. You could also use thighs instead. Place a sharp knife in the middle and you want to slice the breast. Hold the breast in place with your hand so it doesn't move. Let the knife do the work, don't force it. Now each breast would give you around 2 to 3 fillets. It really depends on the size. Perfect. Make sure to pound the breast from its thickest part so everything is even. This will also ensure everything is cooked perfectly. Now just cut the fillets into desired shape. Let's season it. Here I've got cayenne pepper, garlic, black and white pepper, smoked paprika, MSG, and finally some salt. Give that a really good mix. Now apply a light touch of hot sauce on the fillets. It's gonna act as a binder, don't use any oil or mustard. And now you want to season the fillets generously with your spices. Give that a little tap and make sure to do the same from the other sides. Now remove the fillets into a bowl and you want to let it marinate for 3 hours or overnight for best results. Let the chicken really absorb those spices and flavor. For the buffalo sauce, turn up the heat around low medium. It with the butter. It with your favorite hot sauce. There's also a recipe on the channel. Some of this pickle juice for more flavor, white vinegar, touch of this light soy sauce. You can substitute this with Worcester sauce. And finally some of this water. For the spices I'm using a garlic powder, smoked paprika, a good pinch of salt. Now you want to give that a really good mix and bring it to gentle simmer. I promise you if you make the buffalo sauce this way it will be much better than just using the hot sauce and the butter. Now when it starts to simmer you can turn off the heat and you can mix in some of the honey. This is totally optional but I like a bit of it. Of a mouth-watering buffalo sauce. Done. Have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. Now for the dredge we're gonna start with the plain flour. We're going to keep it very simple. We don't want to exaggerate with the spices as we're gonna be dipping the burger in the sauce. A good touch of freshly grounded black pepper, it with the red chili, MSG, and finally some salt. Give that a really good mix and set aside. For the buffalo mayonnaise, it with the homemade mayonnaise. The recipe's on the channel again. It with the buffalo sauce, it with the juice of half a lemon, some of these red chili flakes. Season with a touch of black pepper and salt. And finally some parsley. Now give that a really good mix and combine everything. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Has a bit of kick to it. Of a mouth-watering buffalo mayonnaise. Done. And before we start coating our chicken, turn the heat around medium-high. Here with the oil, and you want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius. You can use any neutral oil for this. Now grab your seasoned flour, grab the chicken as well. You will also need some cold tap water in a bowl. You could also use seasoned buttermilk instead. Or first grab the chicken and this goes into the flour and you want to get a good coat of that flour. Make sure to cover all sides, don't leave any sides hanging behind. Now shake off the excess, grab the water and this goes in slowly. Now just leave it there for a few seconds. Don't shake it, we don't want to remove the flour or the seasoning. We just want the outer layer to get wet. Now carefully remove this and this goes back into the flour. And again give that a really good mix. And now coat it properly with your dry hand. Pay close attention to how I'm coating this. Make sure to tap on the flour so it will stick to it. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. Now slowly lower the chicken always away from you. Keep it there for a few seconds and let it go. Now you want to let this cook for around 7 to 8 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius. And we're looking for a nice golden brown color. Make sure to maintain the temperature at 160 Celsius when you're cooking the chicken. Do not overcook, fry a small batch at a time. Alright, now we have a beautiful color on our chicken. Shake off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. Fire! Now it's best to get rid of these bits before frying the next batch of your chicken. Trust me, this is one of the best buffalo chicken sandwich that you will ever try. Now some people be complaining, they say our coating is coming out very soggy. It's mainly because the oil wasn't hot enough. And if you do end up in that situation, then just refry the chicken. Our mouth-watering buffalo chicken fillets. Done. They look so mouth-watering. Like I said, these are one of the best buffalo chicken sandwich that you will ever try. Seasoning for our fries. Here I've got dehydrated flakes of hot sauce, some of these garlic granules, smoked paprika, citric acid, or you could use sumac instead. A little bit of this MSG and finally some salt and oregano. Now you want to cover and blend this. Of amazing hot seasoning for fries. Done. Grab a bowl in with your crispy curly fries. With a good touch of the seasoning and a good pinch of salt. Of a mouth-watering seasoned fries. Done. Alright, let's assemble our sandwich. Grab your toasty bun, add some of our mayonnaise onto there, add a slice of this American cheese, now add your fried chicken fillet into the buffalo sauce and coat this properly with the sauce. Make sure to get rid of the excess. Add your buffalo chicken onto there, a few slices of gherkins goes onto there, and finally top off the bun with more sauce. Oh man, that looks so mouth-watering. Serving it with our amazing hot seasoned fries and some of our buffalo mayonnaise. For the fiery pineapple coleslaw, you want to thinly slice some of this white cabbage. Thinly slice the red onions. Now if your knife is not sharp enough, then you're ready to cry. Slice the red peppers. Using some of the mild red chili just for a bit of kick. Finally chop some of the fresh coriander. And finally some of this pineapple. Now for the dressing, here with the double cream, some of this mayonnaise, a bit of this honey for some sweetness, juice of half a lime. Here with the freshly ground black pepper. And a good pinch of salt, and finally some of these red pepper flakes. Now give that a really good mix and combine everything. Now add all of your veggies and pineapple in the bowl. I forgot to buy the carrot, so make sure to use that as well. Now add all of your dressing into this. Give that a really good mix until everything is well coated. Our mouth-watering fiery pineapple coleslaw. Done. Now this coleslaw can be served with sandwiches on a barbecue, etc. Alright guys, let's do a Halal Chef special buffalo chicken sandwich. Grab your toasty bun with some of this mayonnaise, some of our seasoning, a slice of this American cheese. You know what, I'm gonna be nice, another slice of cheese. Add our beautiful buffalo chicken sandwich onto there. Our fiery pineapple coleslaw. Some of these pickles. Win. You know it's Halal Chef special, so add some of these jalapenos as well. And finally top off the bun with some more sauce. Our mouth-watering buffalo chicken sandwich. Done. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to try this. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. Let's take it into the fries first. Bismillah. Wow. So mouth-watering, trust me. The sauce is so fresh, has a bit of tang to it, and the seasoning is perfect on those fries. I should call them snake fries. Alright guys, on to our buffalo chicken sandwich. Let's try it. Bismillah. Wow, this burger is just on another level. It is so good. The buffalo glaze is so irresistible, and the fiery pineapple coleslaw has a really nice touch to it. You guys are gonna absolutely love this buffalo chicken sandwich. This buffalo chicken sandwich does the job. Like I said, you guys are gonna absolutely love this. One of the best buffalo chicken sandwich ever. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.